Are you ready to see something truly unique, totally rare? A space-age spellbinder of the absolute highest order? Look at this. 1958 Parklane by Mercury. Top of the line. Where do we begin to behold the glory of this rare mid-century modern masterpiece? Oh, I know. First of all, these taillights are a symphony of space-age style. And look at that big jet flow pod right there. There it says it, Parklane. Look at the rear glass, you guys. That is a piece of glass right there. The trim gives way here. Uh-oh, this car just got washed, so. Oh, and there's the phone. Oh, well, I'm not gonna touch that. Anyway, I just wanted you to get a quick view of the details of this unbelievably underrated and rare space-age spellbinder of the highest order. Look at that bumper, big giant bumper. The big M from Mercury. Says it right there, Mercury. Oh, those headlights. Again, this detail. The Mercury shield's in there. The hood ornament. I love those hash marks right there. Look at the glass. I mean the glass, I meant the mirror. And again, speaking of glass, there's some glass for you. Anyway, see if we can see the interior. Oh, the door is locked. Padded dash, that instrument cluster, the color of the interior is like peanut butter. Oh, that door handle. And again, okay, this is the real pièce de résistance of this car. Look, you guys, I mean, this sits away from the car. The detail there. Yeah, you've never seen one of these because they are so incredibly rare. Look at this gorgeous roof line. I know. Let's go in. Look at that very mid-century modern steering wheel. This delightful door panel. Look at slide for lock. The Mercury man right there. A gentle reminder of what kind of car you're driving. It'll brand you on a hot day. Beautiful and luxurious interior. Look at that wraparound rear glass. All the trim, yeah, the dash pad. This spectacular steering wheel and instrument cluster. Push button transmission right there. Can you believe that? Speed minder. Oh, and another rare option. Look at these levers here. And this is a super rare option that's called Seat-O-Matic. Seat-O-Matic. Isn't that gorgeous? I know. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to see this super rare car. Sorry, it's got stuff on it, but anyway, rare, rare, rare. Look at that, I know, that glass. And you really want to talk about glass. Look at this glass. And this C-pillar right here. Oh, and we didn't get, this deserves more of a close-up. Parklane. Oh, I know. Yeah, and the detail on the roof. Can you see that style line? It goes in the car and back down the trunk. And again, the rear. The rear of this car is hypnotizing, spellbinding, and mesmerizing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this 1958 Parklane by Mercury is more than a classic car. More than a joyride. This 1958 Mercury Parklane is a world-class national treasure of the absolute highest order. Behold the glory. I know. Whoa. Joyride has been brought to you by Holiday Jubilee and Addicted to Americana. Colorful coffee table books make great gifts. Order your signed copies now at charlesphoenix.com. We ship worldwide.